Okay, so this is our second website that we're looking at to see what needs to be entered into the account. So when you do the create account, it says complete this one-time setup. Now we'll let you easily and securely log in from any internet connected computer. If you already have a Scholastic List Builder username and password, sign in now. Read our privacy and security policy before submitting any information. So you need to go here and look at their privacy information. Okay. And let's see, here are a few general things to keep in mind as you read this policy. The site is owned and operated by Scholastic Inc. or one or more of its corporate affiliates, referred to collectively in this policy as we, us, or our, and other similar pronouns. Our kid privacy policies apply to sites or areas of our sites that are directed to kids under the age of 13. Those are our kid sites. Except when we tell you otherwise in connection with particular activity, we may share your We may share your personal information with third parties for third-party marketing purposes. Okay? You can ask us not to by sending us your name, email, and phone number to opt out. Request Scholastic Inc. There's the address for further information. It says see below. This site places cookies and local shared objects on your computer or device, which are further described below by using the site. You agree to this. If you are located outside the United States, we're actually in it. Advertisements shown to you on this site and elsewhere may be customized to your interests and preferences based on your personal information and website usage information. This is what the cookies do. They gather your information, and then they send you things that they're hoping to sell you on. So this is the opt-in and opt-out. So obviously they're going to be using your information to sell products, and those companies that they're sending to you actually pay them. So that's how the third parties tracking ad servers and networks work. So like I said, you want to pay attention to all the things that they're talking about. Here's internet safety, ways to take charge of the web, internet safety commandments, keeping kids safe online. These are sites on the internet that you can go to about keeping kids safe, how to contact them. Scholastic Kids Under 13 privacy policy. This is their privacy policy. So do you see, this is all important information that before you go into any site and sign up for something, you need to know what are they going to do with your information and what are they providing you with. And then here's where your information goes in. You can go under Miss, Mrs. or Mr. Okay. And you have to put in your name, first name, last name, email, re-enter the email, your phone number and extension, username, password, and then you have to re-enter the password, and then you can continue. I've read, and then you continue, and it'll sign you in. But it also sounds like you may have to put in a, because you see up here, that means you're going to be putting in a credit card too. So just be cautious before you do any of these things. Make sure that you are getting your parents' permission to do so, and make sure that you've gone through that privacy and security policy so you know what they're doing with your information. You need to be safe online.